Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sir English Language. I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Maya. Thanks for spending a little time with us today.
If you're learning English, please relax. You don't have to understand every single word. You can listen once, then listen again. That is normal.
Yes, and we will speak slowly and clearly. We will use simple sentences. This is practice, not a test.
Today we have a very common problem. It's a problem many people feel, but they don't always talk about it.
And the good news is there is a gentle solution. Not a perfect solution, but a helpful one.
Exactly. Here is our plan for today. First, a warm greeting, then a quick check-in. Then topic A, a story and a problem. After that, friendly advice. Then topic B, a piece of good news and the story. And finally, we will wrap up with a simple question for you.
So you can write a comment in English. Even one sentence is great.
All right, Maya, how are you today?
I'm okay. I feel calm, but I also feel a little bit full in my head, like my brain has too many thoughts.
I understand. Like your mind is busy.
Yes, busy is the right word. How about you?
I'm doing fine, but I had a moment today where I felt frustrated. Not angry, just tired of thinking.
Frustrated is a useful word.
It is, and we will talk about that feeling today.
Before we start the main story, can I ask you a small question?
Sure.
When you say tired of thinking, do you mean sleepy?
Good question. No, not sleepy. I mean mentally tired. My body is okay, but my mind feels heavy.
That's a great point for learners because tired can mean two things. It can mean your body needs rest, like after exercise, and it can mean your mind needs rest, like after too much work.
Exactly. And sleepy is different. Sleepy means you want to sleep.
Yes, your eyes feel heavy. You want to close them.
Great. Okay, let's move into topic A.
Topic A is the problem story, right?
Yes, and I think many people will relate to it.
Okay, I'm listening.
So today I had a work meeting. It was not a big emergency, but it was stressful in a quiet way.
A quiet kind of stress.
Yes, not shouting, not drama, just pressure.
What was the meeting about?
It was about a project schedule. We have tasks, we have a timeline, and we have a deadline.
Deadline. That word is very important at work.
Yes, a deadline is the last time you can finish something. After that time, it is late.
For example, the deadline is Friday at 5 p.m.
Exactly. And when a deadline gets close, people can change. Their tone changes, their faces change.
Their patience can change too.
Yes, and in this meeting, I noticed something. People were not really listening to each other.
That's a big problem.
It is. One person would speak and another person would interrupt. Then someone else would talk fast, and one person stayed silent the whole time.
So the group was not balanced.
Right. And the manager, my manager, was trying to keep things organized, but the manager was also nervous about time.
So the manager was pushing the conversation.
Yes, the manager kept saying things like, "We need this done quickly, and we cannot lose time."
That can make people feel tight inside.
Tight is a good description, like your chest feels tight.
Yes, like you are holding your breath a little.
Exactly. And then something awkward happened.
Oh, what happened?
Two coworkers, let's call them Sam and Lena, had a small misunderstanding.
A misunderstanding is when people don't understand each other correctly.
Yes, so Sam made a comment. Sam was trying to be helpful. but the words sounded critical.
Critical, meaning like judging?
Yes, like saying, this is wrong, or you did it badly. Even if you don't mean it, it can sound that way.
What did Sam say?
Sam said something like, this section is confusing. It should be simple. Why is it like this?
That could sound harsh.
Exactly. Lena worked on that section. Lena is careful and quiet. So Lena heard that and felt embarrassed.
Poor Lena.
Lena didn't fight back. Lena just got quiet. But you could feel the mood change.
Like the air in the room changes.
Yes, the room felt colder. Not physically colder, but emotionally colder.
That is a very real feeling.
And I was sitting there thinking, okay, what do we do now? Because we still needed to finish the meeting, but the teamwork feeling was gone.
That's hard because you still have work to do, but your emotions are now involved.
Exactly. And when emotions enter the room, the work becomes heavier.
Alex, can I ask something? What was your role in the meeting?
I'm not the manager. I'm more like a coordinator. I help people connect ideas and make a clear plan.
So you are like a bridge between people.
Yes, and today that bridge felt shaky.
Shaky means not stable, like it can fall.
Right, and after the meeting, I felt responsible. Not because I caused the problem, but because I want the team to feel okay.
That makes sense. Some people naturally care about the mood.
Yes, but here is the main problem. I don't want to create a bigger problem by talking too much about it.
Right. If you say, hey everyone, we have a problem, people might feel even more uncomfortable.
Exactly. So I was thinking, how can I make things better in a natural way?
I like that. Natural is key.
And I also felt something else. I felt drained.
Drained means your energy is gone.
Yes, like a phone with a low battery.
So you had the pressure of the deadline and also the emotional pressure.
Yes, double pressure.
That's a lot.
It is, and I think many listeners have experienced something similar, maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe in a family situation.
Yes, when people are stressed, small words can hurt more.
That's true. And now we move into the friendly advice part.
Okay, what did you decide to do?
I decided to do something small and kind. Not a big speech, not a team-building event, just a small moment.
What kind of small moment?
Tomorrow morning, I will bring something simple to share, like tea, coffee, and a few snacks.
That's nice. Food can soften a room.
Yes, when people eat or drink something warm, they relax a little.
Warm drinks are comfort.
Exactly. And I will send a message to the group, something short and friendly, like, I brought tea and snacks. Please help yourself.
Help yourself is a great phrase.
Yes, it means you can take what you want. You don't need to ask.
For example, there are cookies on the table. Help yourself.
Perfect. And I will add one more line. Take 5 minutes if you can.
So there is no pressure. People can join or not join.
Yes, and here is my hope. My hope is that Sam and Lena might have a normal, polite interaction. Maybe just a thank you or a small smile.
And that small moment can reset the feeling.
Exactly. It won't fix everything, but it can make the next conversation easier.
I love this advice because it's realistic. It's not saying, everyone share your deep feelings right now.
Yes, sometimes deep talks are good, but sometimes deep talks are too much.
Especially when the deadline is close.
Exactly. When time is short, people don't have space for heavy emotional conversations.
So a gentle reset is smart.
Another piece of advice is about words. Tomorrow, if I talk to Sam or Lena, I want to use careful, soft language.
Like what?
For example, if I talk to Sam, I might say, "Hey, I think Lena worked really hard on that section. Maybe we can give feedback in a gentle way."
That's good. It's not attacking Sam, it's guiding Sam.
Yes, and if I talk to Lena, I might say, "Your work is valuable. The team is just stressed today."
That can help Lena not take it personally.
Exactly, because when someone is quiet, they can blame themselves.
Yes, they can think, I'm not good enough.
And that feeling is painful, so a little support helps.
I like this whole solution. It's calm, kind, and practical.
Thank you. And listeners can use a similar idea in their own life.
Yes, maybe you bring tea for your classmates, or you bring fruit for your family, or you simply say one kind sentence.
Exactly. A small kindness can change the temperature of a room.
I love that phrase, change the temperature of a room, not the real temperature, the emotional one.
Yes. Okay, that was topic A, the problem and the gentle solution.
Now we need topic B, good news.
Yes. Maya, do you have good news today?
I do, and it made me smile when I heard it.
Tell me.
Okay, my friend just told me she got a new job.
That's great news.
Yes, she has been trying for a long time. She sent many applications and she had many interviews.
Interviews can be stressful.
Very stressful, and she was starting to feel discouraged.
Discouraged means you lose confidence. You start to think, maybe it won't happen.
Exactly. But yesterday she called me and said, I got it.
Wow, that must have felt amazing for her.
Yes, she sounded proud and relieved at the same time.
Relieved means the stress leaves your body.
Yes, like you can breathe again.
What kind of job is it?
It's a job at a small company. She will work with a team, but the environment sounds friendly, not too corporate, more relaxed.
That sounds perfect for her.
Yes, and here is the part I love. She said the manager told her, we liked your energy. You seemed calm and prepared.
That's a great compliment.
It is, because my friend is not loud. She's not the kind of person who speaks for 10 minutes.
She's more quiet?
Yes, quiet but clear, and she listens well.
That's so important. Listening is a skill.
Exactly. And when she told me this, I thought about our listeners.
How so?
Many English learners think they must be fast and perfect. They think they must speak like a native speaker immediately.
Yes. People want speed.
But my friend got the job because she was calm and clear. Not fast, not flashy, calm and clear.
That is a wonderful lesson.
Yes, and it connects to our channel. Slow and clear English is powerful.
Absolutely. Also, your story connects to topic A. In topic A, the room was tense. People were fast and stressed, but calm and kind actions can help.
Yes, calm is strong.
So, what did you do to celebrate your friend?
I sent her a long message, and I asked her one simple question. How do you want to celebrate?
That's nice. You let her choose.
Yes, because some people want a big celebration. Some people just want quiet happiness.
What did she choose?
She said she wants to go for a simple dinner. Nothing fancy, just good food and relaxed conversation.
That sounds perfect.
And I said, great. Also, I want to hear the full story because I love hearing the details.
Like, what questions did they ask? And how did you answer?
Exactly. And she said something funny. She said, At the end, my hands were shaking, but I smiled anyway.
That's so human.
Yes, and I told her that is courage. You can feel nervous and still do the thing.
That is a powerful message for learners too.
Yes, you can feel nervous and still speak English. You can make mistakes and still communicate.
Great. Now we move to the wrap-up.
Okay.
Today, we shared 2 topics. Topic A was about a stressful work meeting and a gentle way to improve the mood. Topic B was happy news about a new job and a reminder that calm and clear is valuable.
And we also explained some useful words: deadline, misunderstanding, critical, drained, discouraged, relieved.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please support the channel. You can like the video and subscribe. It helps us grow, and it helps you get more practice.
And you can listen again tomorrow. Repetition helps your brain.
Now we have one simple question for you.
Yes, please answer in the comments in English.
Question: when you feel stressed or discouraged, what is one small thing that helps you feel better?
It can be tea, a short walk, music, talking to a friend, anything.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye for now.